Oh, here we go. It's done. Where's everyone at? Yo, bro, where's everyone at?
Oh, no.
Why do I hear everyone over here? What's going on?
Move out of the way. Move!
What is everyone doing?
Stupid monkey!
Tyler.
Move!
You're a stupid monkey!
Monkey behind
You're
you.
a
Orange
stupid monkey!
behind you, stop.
Go! Go!
Look, all the monkeys,
No.
get out of the view. Get out of the view.
What? Wait, hang on.
Please.
What's going on? Why is this guy like this?
Orange monkey and the black monkey behind me. Get out.
Oh shit! Yo, whoa! Why? What's going on? What do I do? I
Out
don't know.
of my way!
Bro, get your ass out
No,
of here.
I'm trying to get a screenshot here, but you're all ruining it.
Now you
Sorry.
can
Hello! Dude! Move!
Orange monkey.
Literally move! Literally only 2 seconds. Dude, move out the way.
What is that? Whoa! What were you doing? I want to know what this is. Ugh. Ew! God damn! Oh, here, let's go back. What's that galaxy guy? Is that like a modder
Oh,
or
that's the
something?
owner! That's the owner! That's the owner!
Wait, the owner? Holy, hang on. Wait, what? Nah, I don't believe it. The owner? Yo, galaxy guy, are you the owner?
Monkey Mischief is better than
Yes, he
Capuchin.
is the owner! I want
He
to
is
be
the
the
owner.
Monkey Mischief!
How do we know he's not lying?
Probably is later. Because he has the galaxy owner! Everybody!
Hang on, high five me. Are hands collidable? Are hands collidable?
No,
They are. That's so cool. Oh, frick! Help!
Can I
Owner?
collect a pop-up, please? Okay.
No, this is so cool.
Dude,
Alright.
Dude, I'm holding hands with the owner of Monkey Mischief right now. Holy crap.
Me neither.
Dude, if I'm being lied to right now, and this isn't the owner, I swear to God.
Monkey Mischief is better than Capuchin. And that's me. And that's coming from
It's
me,
a lie.
because
He's saying that because you're only here. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm kidding.
Thank you.
I'm kidding.
Alright, I gotta go.
It is pretty cool.
Bye, George.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye, George.
I love you. I love
Bye,
you.
George.
Bye, I love you.
So that's gonna be the end of the
Oh, he's
video. I
gone.
hope you enjoyed.
Oh my God. Is that the horror monkey? Chimp chase again. Also. Oh damn. Yo, monkey, come here, monkey. Ew, why do you walk like that? No, get away from me, bro. God. You look so ugly and skinny. Bro, get away from me. God, bro. Get away. You'll never catch me. Oh, get away. You look so ugly, bro. Ew. Ew. Oh, God, I just got so laggy. What the heck? Bro, get away from me. Monkey, let me hit you. Come here! Oh, I actually got you! Oh, no! Hey, wait, did I hit you down? You're welcome. Oh, wait, no, you're going up again. I got you. Come here! Uh-oh. I missed. I did it. I did it. Yo, come here. Hey, tell her. Wait, no. Monkey. No, wait here. Bounce off me. Bounce off me. That's not good. No! Okay, alright, come on. Monkey, grab my hand! No! Ow, frick, I hit my ceiling fan. I think it was moving too. It was. Oh my God. Monkey! Wait, hang on. No. Okay. Are you good, bro? Oh, I'm going up. I gotta hit the ground. Oh, frick, I'm screwed. Alright. What are you staring at? What the? What? Did you see your... What just happened to my arms, bro? Did you see that? I know. You saw that? Yeah, you saw that too, right? Oh my God, what just happened to me, bro? What the hell? Oh, frick. Ah, frick, my ceiling fan. Hang on, get front row seats. Yeah, baby, let's go! Hang on, I'm gonna attack those monkeys right there. Hang on. I gotta do a real power hit. Power hit! Oh, he's back. Come on! Ah, frick, ceiling fan. Hey, I still got on though. Yo, guys, we gotta wake this monkey up. Come on. Come on. Guys, we gotta wake this monkey up. Come on, come on. Let's go. Alright, wake him up, wake him up. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Bro. No, don't kill him! Don't kill him, bro!
Monkey saw me.
What?
Whoa! Where's that?
What? That's the old map. That's that.
That's not the old map.
Oh, okay, yeah, hang on. I just realized that is not the old map. The only thing. That's gonna be the new map. That looks cool as hell.
Yeah, back at it with another milkshake. Help!
What?
Help!
What?
Back at it with another milkshake.
Why are you running like that, bro? What the hell? We gotta help him! Help him! No, you knocked me off! No! Final. Oh! 50%! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Bro, it's at 50. It is at 50. Holy.
Yes. Oh, Monkey Mischief, add him with the
Ew! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Come here, boy! You're mine! I'm faster than you! I'm faster than you! Wake up! Come on! You gotta get up, my boy. You gotta get up. Wake him up. Yeah! Yeah!